Hello friends, first of all welcome to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful and a wide variety of design ideas of face masks. As you know that COVID is a very dangerous and pandemic situation and it is massively affecting human lives, but there is no need to panic. The only way we can get rid of it, or we can fight against it, or we can save ourselves from it by taking some precautionary measures. And into these measures, by wearing face masks, we can save ourselves to a very high level of prevention. So I request you to kindly make a habit of wearing masks while going out. This video is specially designed to share Mexican hand embroidered full face coverage masks. The masks are shown by models wearing onto their faces so that you could get more creative and a more elaborative view how that these masks would look onto your face and how they would cover your face. And masks are very comfortable, lightweight, reusable and washable, and the main advantage is that they are reusable, washable, and they are very soft. They are made on soft linen, organic fabric, cotton, and the whole entire handwork is very beautiful, decent and delicate at the same time. And these masks are favorable for adults, girls, boys. Very simple and easy Mexican embroidery stitch have been used to make these very beautiful masks. The persons who know the art of Mexican embroidery, these designs are absolutely very easy for them and very creative for them. And those who do not know the art of Mexican embroidery, they can use satin stitch instead, because satin stitch exactly looks like the Mexican embroidery patterns. So I hope that my today's video is creative, useful, and the whole entire designer style, creative and funky design ideas of masks are lovable by you. You have liked these designs. If you really like these design patterns, then don't forget to try these patterns, because this video is a merger of thread embroidery and silk ribbon, satin and ribbon work embroidery ideas. So try these patterns and share your experiences with us. Hope to see you soon back in my channel. If you really like this video, don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel or watching my videos for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you soon in my new video. Up till then, take care.